Welcome. Let's explore how to design and evaluate Buddhist-informed counseling programs, moving from micro-skills to macro systems.
This cooking metaphor perfectly captures how our clinical work scales up from basic mindfulness micro-skills to macro systems.
You see, our focus expands from moment-to-moment presence techniques to addressing specific concerns to entirely multi-layered programs.
Building these programs requires clear steps: clarifying the problem, identifying goals, specifying objectives, and detailing your frameworks.
But crucially, you gotta stick to the recipe. Program evaluators call this exact consistency treatment fidelity.
Without fidelity, we risk therapeutic drift. We literally lose confidence that our contemplative interventions cause the positive outcomes.
So, to avoid that drift and map our entire counseling system, we use a blueprint, the Logic model.
This framework maps your initial program resources and activities directly to your ultimate long-term client impacts.
It starts with your inputs and clinical activities. These generate tangible outputs, like completed group meditation sessions.
Those process outputs lead to your true goal, the programmatic impacts, where clients' lives actually improve.
Now, to accurately measure those impacts, we carefully operationalize our objectives using the classic SMART acronym.
S is for specific. Your goal must be incredibly concrete, eliminating ambiguity about what your program will achieve. M is for measurable. You absolutely need clear numerical data to quantify progress and compare intervention success.
A stands for achievable. This guarantees your objective is actually feasible for your specific cohort to enact.
R is for realistic. It forces an honest look at program constraints, like resources, personnel, and your budget.
Finally, T means time-bound. This sets strict chronological boundaries for exactly when this expected therapeutic change happens.
Construct these outcomes using a simple formula: target audience, action verb, expected results, and a firm target date.
So, as you plate your final contemplative program, how will clear outcomes ground your future CAC rep research evaluations?